Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation on process management in operating systems. Today we will cover the basics of process management including the process table, process control block and operations on processes. My name is Gautam Dodi and let's get started. Introduction to process management. Process management is a key part of an operating system. It helps the computer run many programs at once by managing how processes are executed and using resources efficiently. What is process? A process is a program that's being executed. It includes the program code, a program counter to keep track of execution, a stack for function calls and local variables, and a data section for global variables. Think of it as an active task the CPU is working on. Process life cycle. Processes go through different states: new, ready, running, waiting, and terminated. This diagram shows how processes move between these states managed by the operating system. Process table. The process table is a data structure the OS uses to track all active processes. It includes important information like the process ID, state program counter, memory allocation, and more. It helps the OS keep everything organized. Process control block. The process control block or PCB is a data structure that holds detailed information about a process. This includes the process state, program counter, CPU registers, memory management info, and input-output status. The PCB is essential for the OS to manage processes effectively. Operations on processes. The OS performs several operations on processes. Processes creation happens with system calls like fork in Unix/Linux, creating a new child process. Process termination happens when a process finishes or is stopped by the user or system using the exit call. Process scheduling. Process scheduling is how the OS decides which process runs at any time. There are different types of scheduling: long term for job scheduling, short term for CPU scheduling, and medium term for swapping processes in and out of memory. Good scheduling is key for smooth system performance. Context switching. Context switching is the process of saving the state of a running process so that it can be resumed later, allowing the CPU to switch between processes. It enables multitasking by letting the CPU quickly switch between different tasks. Example scenario. Imagine you are running a browser, a text editor, and a media player at the same time. The OS handles each of these as separate processes, managing their states and switching between them to keep everything running smoothly. To summarize, we covered the basics of process management, the process table, the process control block, and key operations like processes, process creation, termination, scheduling, and context switching. Process management is essential for the efficient and reliable operation of modern computing. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.